Hi, I'm the Tax Geek, and this is a special alert about your taxes. The subject of this alert is potential fraud involving unemployment insurance. As we all know, unemployment rose dramatically during the 2020-2021 coronavirus pandemic. To assist the unemployed, the CARES Act provided supplemental employment benefit payments of up to $600 weekly. To make it easier for the newly unemployed to receive unemployment benefits, employers were allowed to apply for unemployment on behalf of their employees. State governments cut much of the red tape involving unemployment insurance, all with the goal of expediting unemployment benefits. Now, this certainly was not a bad thing. These enhanced unemployment benefits were a lifeline for millions of families facing job loss or a reduction in income. But as with anything, enhancing unemployment benefits and making them easier to apply for has an unfortunate dark side. Criminals are using compromised Social Security numbers to apply for unemployment benefits that they then direct to themselves. Most people are finding this out as they receive 1099-G forms for unemployment benefits they did not receive. Sometimes these 1099-G forms come from distant states where the taxpayer neither lived nor worked. Sometimes these forms involve significant unemployment benefits for taxpayers who are neither laid off nor received a reduction in hours. Many of these fraudulent claims are being investigated and prosecuted by state unemployment authorities. In this case, they should not be issuing 1099-G forms to the victim of the fraud. But many people are still receiving 1099-G forms for unemployment benefits they did not receive. If this happens to you, this is what you should do. Contact the state's unemployment authority and report the situation. There should be a phone number on the 1099-G form. You may have trouble getting through, but keep trying. Document every call and attempted call. When you do speak with someone, note the date and time you called, the name of the person you spoke with, including an employer or badge number, what you discussed, and what action the authority will take. The action they should take is to issue a corrected 1099-G form showing $0 in unemployment benefits. It may take time to get this corrected 1099-G form. In the meantime, the IRS is telling taxpayers to file accurate returns without the fraudulent income. Do not report the fraudulent benefits on your tax return out of fear the IRS will come after you or delay your refund. When you sign your return, you are certifying that the income you reported is your correct income. This makes it harder for you to correct your return and receive a refund for taxes paid on income that wasn't yours. It is also unnecessary to file a police report or an identity theft affidavit with the IRS. That is only for taxpayers whose identities have been stolen and actually used to file a tax return. Tax identity theft will be the topic of another video. However, if you find yourself a victim of a fraudulent unemployment claim, it probably means your Social Security number has been compromised in some way. It might be a good idea to review and monitor your credit reports for suspicious activity. And if you're concerned that your identity for tax purposes might be compromised or threatened, you can request an identity protection PIN from the IRS. If you do that, you will receive a new PIN annually just before the end of the year. No one beside the holder of the PIN will be able to e-file a tax return using the holder's Social Security number. Check out the resources in the description for more information involving fraudulent unemployment claims and tax identity theft in general. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, please share the important information in this video with everyone you know. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment space below. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with more of your taxes oversimplified.